This says, Happy Easter from Papa and Grandma. May May. Okay, first guess. What do you think is in this box?
A toy.
What toy? Do you have any idea?
Muppet babies.
Muppet Babies? Okay.
Well, like that pink Easter bunny.
Okay, well, let's find out what they got you for Easter.
I love Easter.
What?
Mama's airplane.
What? Oh my gosh.
I will open it.
So tell me, what is that?
It's a combo airplane. With Swaycan, combo, Gus, Mo, Peck, and Alexa. What about Gil? What about Gil?
I don't know. I guess he doesn't
He's
come.
a shark.
Oh. I guess they don't do him anymore. I guess it's just them. Oh my gosh.
My favorite, Alexa and Peck. And what Titan?
How excited are you? Tell me, how excited are you?
This much.
Yeah?
Yes! I never had this. No, Papa maybe have it. No, I have it. I never had it before.
Oh my, what do you say to Papa and May May?
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Okay.
And today I'm going to open Ryan's airplane. And then I'm going to put Alexa over here. And then we're well, when Titan's right here, but Alexa is driving. And what Titan is right here?
And what is that right there, that red thing?
Oh.
It's your passport. Let me see what's inside. Let me see. We'll have to get a picture of you and put it in there. So cool.
And today we're going to do this. Okay, everyone? Okay, everyone? So put combo right back here on his view, okay? And wait. Where is it? Where's it? Where? Oh, come forward, maybe. Come toy.
Oh, wow. So he's flying and he has his tablet with him. He's watching Ryan.
And I bring him some food. It is
So what kind of food did it come with?
obvious.
Pizza,
And
ice cream.
milk for combo.
That is awesome.
And when he's done with feeling, he can do milk.
Oh, look. And then he has headphones. Well, Combo already has headphones. But I guess if someone else wanted to watch the tablet, they could put headphones on.
Oh, it was.
Sometimes the pilot wears headphones.
Yeah.
I don't know if he'll...
This is for. And we'll fit. How about for Mo? Actually, it's on Mo.
If it's on Mo?
Oh.
Let's see what the picture is.
Look at it, come.
Yep. Very cool. So it comes with... It's awesome. It comes with little trays. Let me see the trays.
Gus?
Oh, that's cool.
He doesn't have any ears.
So put some food on the tray and we'll deliver it.
Okay. And
put like a slice of pizza on there and some milk.
Okay, that's for Mo. Mo is right next.
Mo likes pizza.
Alexa, what are you doing?
Oh, that's right. She have that squishy Mo pizza. Oh, is she driving?
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Mo is right here. Mo is right here behind Combo.
Oh, wow. And even in the airplane, it has like drapes up.
Yeah.
And they look out the window when you're flying.
Yeah. But he keeps flying.
Let me see. There you go.
And Ted is right here next to Combo.
That's so cool. They can all sit in the airplane.
Gus is. I have no idea. Take it right here. And Gus is right here. And it's an order. Look for Combo. Here we go, Combo. Here you go, Combo.
That is awesome.
And pizza for Mo. I know. I know. I know, Mo. It's incorrect. I know. Oh, somebody got you pizza.
The tray's a little too down yet. That's cool. And all the food fits on the airline tray. Oh. Do the trays fit on here? Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Oh, and we can put the passport. We're gonna need that, so we can put it.
No, I want it.
You want to put in? Well, they're gonna have to have that to fly. Are they flying international? They flying to another country?
That's where the door. The door is there.
Where are they flying to?
They're flying to a restaurant and go back.
Oh, wow. They're fancy. They're flying just to go eat.
I want milk. And then close it up. Close it up. Take some.
Oh, about to land. Did y'all pick up somebody at the restaurant? Who is that?
Highlight line.
Oh, well, that's appropriate.
Boing. Thank you, everybody. Oh, take fell down. Yeah, thanks for watching my Caroline's film. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Okay, so this is the wall, and you can watch more of my videos. Goodbye.